We're gonna try something a little bit different today. Going to Lake Wales. Go visit old Tim Jones. And hopefully Josh Mavica there as well. And almost halfway there. We are in Plant City, where they are having the Strawberry Festival right now, which we were at yesterday. Really pretty cool. Now we're just a couple miles out. Just about there. All right, that's Jump Florida skydiving here in Lake Wales. Looks like we got the German Bundeswehr here, German Army. That's more like Lompoc. Well, it is pretty much only tandems here, and nobody knows me, so I guess I'm jumping solo here. Let's see what we do. Do not open door with butt. I have never seen that one.
I think it's funny.
Alright, you gotta take us through my tower. Oh yeah, after that. Monster plane. Whoa. Never done that. Wow, that was a very beautiful solo jump. I was just trying to get more comfortable with flying at higher speeds. Fun stuff.